Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today we are in Fort Lauderdale. We are on Olas Boulevard. It's a very ritzy, expensive boulevard in Fort Lauderdale. We're going to drive through a little, as you can see some of the shops, and then we're going to take a walking tour, and I'll show you inside some of the shops and some of the cool stuff that they have, because it's a fascinating boulevard to walk. There are shops on both sides of the street. There's also a lot of restaurants that people will go to. It's a very pretty street, beautiful trees and a nice atmosphere. There is some parking on the street, and there's also a few parking lots around the corner. Many buildings have artwork on them. We're going to take a walk around and look at some of the store windows. Oh, they sell everything. Look at Yeti. Want some Yeti items? And even the restaurants, all done very pretty. The cute little trees and the nice outdoor seating. Unique Treasures is probably my favorite shop to go into and look. A lot of the items sell for thousands and thousands of dollars, so I can't afford to buy anything, but I can hear no evil, see no evil, and speak no evil. Let's take a walk inside and see what we find. This is the street light box that they decorated. Isn't that cute? Kilwin's Chocolates. It's a great place to get your chocolates, but everything is very expensive on the street. So be careful how much you order. Ask prices before you purchase. But boy, everything is delicious. And I got to taste some fudge. I got a sample. It was delicious. Can't go wrong in this store. It looks like a new store is also planning to open up. Voodoo Bayou. We're going to cross the street to see what's on the other side. Look, I found a Tommy Bahama. And this Tommy Bahama even has a restaurant bar. Yogurt, anyone? Yes, they have a Lily Pulitzer. I found another cool store, and this one even has Iron Man. So that is our tour of Los Olas Street in Fort Lauderdale. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe and watch all our videos.